Black coffee, Africans are ready to create a new Africa. Black Coffee was doing that damn thing as he spoke at the launch of the Midem African Forum in Cannes, France, explaining what the African dream means to him. He said he believed African were in a place where no handouts were needed. We, as Africans, are at a place now, even though we don't realize it, where we don't need certain kind of handouts. Yet we still sitting at a place of being disadvantaged. He explained how was in an earlier talk where an artist was speaking about music but also mentioned money. And while Black Coffee said there was nothing wrong with the move, he'd like to see Africans move forward. For us it's easier to ask for money than to see we have money already. Africa is ready to create a new Africa. He said his African dream is for Africans to create solutions for us by us.